day 6 of the 21-day lockdown India is currently undergoing, and here's a quick rundown of how things have been so far and how some things still need to be improved. So first off, of course, the supply chains still need to get smoother, things still need to settle down, and this is a work in progress. This is happening for the last 5 days. The state government is on it, and as of now, some exemptions have also been made to the list of items that can be delivered. So essential items were first provided, that included fruits and vegetables and food items. Now it's been extended to oral care items, hygiene products basically. So now the stuff that will be available will be soaps, disinfectants, shampoos and battery cells and chargers, and hygiene products like sanitary pads and diapers. Also, newspaper delivery supply chain is also allowed under print media. So these restrictions on the movement of these items have also been lifted. Another thing the centre has done, it has said that landlords cannot ask for rent from poor workers or migrant labourers during this 21-day lockdown period for 1 month, in fact, not just 21 days. The order, it's an order that's been issued by the centre, and it adds that those landlords who force their tenants to move out, they will face action. Now, if you are aware of anyone who's a migrant laborer, of any worker who's employed in factories in Delhi, this is information that needs to reach them. They need to be aware of their rights, and also at the end of the day, it is important that these orders are also enforced. Just giving an order does not suffice. It needs to be implemented as well. The centre has very categorically said now that 1 month rent will have to be foregone by these landlords. In fact, the Delhi state government has also said that appealing to the migrant workers not to leave, the chief minister said that the Delhi government will take care of their rent and accommodation. Moving on, the centre has said that states and union territories will have to ensure adequate arrangements are there for the shelter and for the food of these migrant labourers and needy people as well. So the states have to ensure that they supply these relief measures to those migrant labourers who are moving en masse back to their hometowns from Delhi to neighbouring states. So the states have to ensure that these measures are available in their respective areas. Now, the migrant people who have already reached their villages or who are still on their way, they have reached their native states at least. Now it's up to the state government to track down these people and accommodate them into quarantine facilities for 14 days. These migrant labourers are not being screened. They are moving back to their native places, but they're not being screened. So screening needs to be done, and they will also be quarantined for 14 days. So these were the updates from day 6 of the lockdown over the last, what we've seen happening over the last 5 days. There are some improvements, but things need to settle down much more. Let us know in the comments what you think needs to be addressed even now.